Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango, in our slow motion section.
Today we are going to see how we complete a full turn, a giro, only using ochos.
Before we go to the video, remember to subscribe, share with your friends, and like it.
Now let's get to the dance floor and start working. Quick stop before we continue with the second part of this video.
Please visit our website, miriamleonardotango.com. Our tango school is called Online Tango Training.
Once again, miriamleonardotango.com, and you're going to find a huge variety of tango, milonga, vals, training for followers, training for leaders, tango nuevo, milonguero, you name it. We also have tango routines and music playlists, all levels from beginning all the way to advanced and advanced plus.
Now let's go back to the video.
Thank you so much for being all the way until the end of this video.
We really enjoyed dancing tango and we hope you do too.
Once again, thank you so much for your support and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.